Hey everyone, today we're going to be taking a look at DoubleStar knives available at knifecenter.com. DoubleStar is a firearms company based out of Winchester, Kentucky. They've been focused on creating rifles for the commercial market as well as law enforcement and military forces around the world. Over the past couple of years, they've started making some rugged tactical knives, built in-house in the United States, and here at Knife Center, we are very excited to bring them to our customers. For people looking for a new EDC folder, DoubleStar has the Brimstone. Based on Mike Vellecamp's V-Nives Poseidon design, this knife features a D2 sheepsfoot blade that has excellent slicing and piercing performance. The opening action is incredibly crisp as it smoothly locks into place with a stainless steel liner lock. Machine G10 handles make for a very secure grip, and altogether you're getting a very well-rounded folding knife to have as your everyday carry at a great price. If fixed blades are more your thing, DoubleStar has knives like the Chico Diablo X. This knife is constructed from full tang Nitro-V stainless steel with a flat grind and a practical drop point blade. The long swedge on the knife makes it a great option for small game hunting, while the size of the knife is perfect for field dressing and cleaning larger game. Textured G10 handles make for a secure grip even in wet conditions and will be perfect for your next outdoor excursion or hunting trip. If you're in the market for a piece of heavy-duty tactical equipment, look no further than DoubleStar's Fury Battle Machete. This 13-inch monster is made from S7 tool steel, which is commonly found in high-impact construction equipment such as jackhammers, making this an incredibly strong blade material. The bronze Cerakote finish gives this machete a very distinct appearance, while its incredible balance makes it very fast to wield. DoubleStar spent a lot of time in development to make sure the Fury was heavy enough for breaching tasks, but still lightweight enough to be kept on your person for a long period of time. It includes a really nice friction-fit bolter-on sheath with a tech lock which allows for a multitude of carry options. Lastly, we wanted to talk about the Draken. This knife was designed by DoubleStar's in-house knife designer and custom knife maker Rob Cabrera. It's a no-frills combat fixed blade made from 1/4-inch thick 1095 steel, and it excels at slicing even through tough material. The index finger ring adds some karambit-like retention, and it also includes a friction-fit bolter-on sheath with tech lock. This is one of those fixed blades you will always be able to count on when you need a knife that may just save your life. Whether you're looking for a compact EDC, a versatile outdoor knife, or any variety of heavy-duty tactical fixed blade, DoubleStar and knifecenter.com are sure to have something for you. If you want to get your hands on one, click the link in the description below, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments. Make sure to like and subscribe to keep up with all our knife-related content. In the meantime, don't forget to visit the original and best online catalog of cutlery at knifecenter.com, and check back often to see what deals we're running on the best knives and tools on the web.